Hello friends, in this short video, I'm going to design a very simple slide but can make your audience more engaging. Okay, so by default, when we launch the PowerPoint, you gotta have the blank slide like this. And then you have to find the video that you like or you're interested in, and then just copy that by Ctrl+C and then paste it here. So now you're gonna have the video on the slide. So now we're going to add the layer or add a shape on this video, and then we're going to draw on this video. Okay, so we're gonna make it a half of this video like that, and then we're going to edit the points so that we can change the shape. Okay, I'm going to drag it over here to make the shape curve like that. Okay, and then the bottom one we're going to make shape like this one, so the curve is gonna be change the shape like that. Okay, so love with this result, so I'm going to remove some outline if it exists. Now we're going to insert another one, is the text. Okay, so here we're going to type or add the title for this slide. So we have to design or make change that you like, change the font and the color as well. So we have to put like that, so the shape and the font will be abstract or just contrast with each other. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so just change to the white color, and now we're going to select both of the shape or both these elements and merge the shape. We just do that. Okay, you can see that. Then I'm going to add another text that want to describe or want to show some kind of note that you want to present to your audience, something like that. And we're going to design that as well. Okay, so now I'm going to insert another icons on that for design. So I'm going to choose two icons. So for this slide, we're going to talk about the nature or some kind like that. So I'm going to add like a leaf and the birds as well to represent of nature or something. Okay, so now we're going to change the color. Suppose that we want to make it more interesting and change some transparency so that we can see through the background as well. In this one, we just made this drop on the shape, both the title and the element. Okay, and this one I'm going to change the color as well to the white. And now I'm going to play, so when we launch the presentation, it's gonna be automatically play the video. Okay, now this is the result that we have done. It's very simple but beautiful for your audience. It's not boring or something that can catch your audience attention. Alright friends, I hope you love this short video. I do appreciate it if you guys click subscribe, hit the bell notification so you won't miss some kind of this video later.